Hi guys, welcome to Focus Android YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to active USB tethering on an Android phone. The first step, of course, is that you need to connect your Android phone to a PC or laptop using a USB cable. For the most Android phone, a USB setting option will usually appear in the notification bar in the moment you connect your Android phone to your PC. Tap there and you will enter USB settings, and here you can select USB tethering. Or you can access settings on your Android phone, then go to connection, then tap on mobile hotspot and tethering, and here you can enable USB tethering. If you are still having trouble finding USB tethering, you can go back to the main setting menu and you can search in the search section for USB tethering. And finally, you can check on your PC. If the symbol is like this, then your PC is connected to the internet on your Android phone. Okay, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.